So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the MSI Pro B660M-P Wi-Fi DDR4 motherboard driver. So only model number search in the Google search box, and after that you can see go this website only msci.com, this officially website, so you can download driver, BIOS, firmware and all. Should you want to change or warranty and all, you can see. After that click on support. Then scroll down, select driver and download. Then select the BIOS. Select operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. So first chipset. This is chipset driver, and click to download. Then VGA. So this is VGA driver and download. When you click to download, it will start downloading one by one. Then audio driver and download. Then LAN driver. So PCI LAN driver, which is connect to cable, and this is Bluetooth driver. Download. Then it is start downloading. So then guys, this is completed. Then click to phone download and go to the locations where it is downloading. So this location is to completed. So first one by one, and I show you installation. So first VJ driver, double click and just double click to open Intel VJ driver, and this is the installer. You just double click. After that click for yes or administrator rights. Now this is installing, loading, please wait. It will take some time, and next to installed, and then click to bring installed, collecting our service, and then done from this installed. After that click to OK. When it is completed, then close it. Then next, BT means Bluetooth driver. Just a single click to open, and again Intel Bluetooth driver to open, and this is Intel Bluetooth driver. Now this installing. So next I accept, and then again click to next, and then click to install. After that click again yes for the administrator rights. Now you can see it is installed complete. And then finished. Close. Then network driver, LAN driver, just double click to open, and Win11 double click to open. This is setup, just open same exe format and then click to yes. Now you can see it is start installations. No suitable driver. So when you getting this, just click to install, and then after the install, just close it. This is 10 GB per second driver. Then Intel chipset driver, open it. So Intel, open again, and this is setups of chipset. Just double click to launch of exe, and then next, accept, install, and then yes. So it is done. Then click to OK and then close it. Then VGA driver. So just double click. No, this is installed. Then Wi-Fi driver. Just open it. Open Intel. Wi-Fi, and driver. So go to the install and wireless setup, just double click. Then next, I accept, agree the license and conditions. Then click to install, and then again click to. Now you can see this is our installations of Wi-Fi driver, wireless driver of this motherboard. And then click to finish and then close. Then audio driver, USB audio, and this is launcher, so click on this and then click to yes. And then click yes, and then it is installing. So then it is all completed. Okay, LAN driver already installed, network driver. So all the install one by one, and then guys restart your system and then please check. Okay, so if you are facing some issues and errors, so please comment me, I will give you solutions and support. Okay guys, thank you.